This is really one. I'm trying to catch a dog in my house. She's so vicious. Last time I saw her, she's right there.
No, I had nothing to do with it.
There she is. Shoes to a whoa. Oh, there she is.
My hand. Your dog disappeared outside. I don't know. I could hear her with Lily, and I could hear like the chick. Imagine she was eating like a piece of that fake rubber. Did her neighbors put some of that fake rubber mulch down? She was eating it. When I went inside,
She goes.
when I went inside to see if she was in,
Yeah.
got scared. She finally went to the door. So that's the key. That's the key with her. She hides. I don't know where she hides.
Oh. Did she go downstairs? She is. Dirted at my leg.
Fight it off, man. Fight it off. I've got to do it.
Yeah. Trapped need busy or not. Oh, I almost got her. Ah! Oh. What the crap is she doing? Second lap. Third lap. Fourth lap. Here. Oh! Fifth lap. Ah! Here. Gotcha. She's trying to get back there. Yeah, you should. No, you can't go through the couch. Lily, it's right back there. Go around. Go around. Go around. Good girl. Stupid dog. Go that way. Go that way. Go that way. Wait, go that way. Go that way. Go that way. Stupid dog, why don't I just push it down? See who that is? Nice, nice, nice. It was good to have friends over. Hello, Sky Micah G&A. I'd like you to meet either YouTubers. As P.S. known as my camera. Busy, stay back. She's at soccer practice.
Hey guys, girls and guy. That's the way we say it.
Girls and guy.
What are you doing?
He's got a play date coming over.
This late?
No, at 8.
At 8:30.
Yeah.
Sleepover.
Oh well. Bang, 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 bang. What? Oh! Go down, go down. Don't be afraid, little busy baby. Don't worry, guys. She won't get hurt. Look at that. It's right there. It's right there. Stupid dog. It's right underneath you. Get it. Get it. Get it. Oh, God. Ugh. Stupid dog. Thought that's what she desired.
Sit.
Little busy, little busy, little busy boys. Little busy. Put your hands